Welcome back to Winning Wealthy, where a winning attitude will take you to wealthy altitudes. Are you interested in making money from home, but unsure about how to get started? Affiliate marketing offers a great opportunity for beginners to jump right into the world of online earning. With affiliate marketing, you don't need any special skill or expertise. All it takes is a little bit of dedication and creativity to start seeing success. In this video, we will look at 7 proven tips for successful affiliate marketing that can help boost your online earnings now. We'll take an in-depth dive into strategies such as setting realistic goals and building personal connections with customers so that you can start making profits quickly and easily. But before I continue, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post new content. Let's get going! Tip 1. Zero in on your niche. Choose an area that fires up your passion and has a high demand. This focused approach helps you connect with your audience more effectively and sets you apart from the competition. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your enthusiasm meets market needs. Let's find your niche and make it your stage. Tip 2. Be selective with your products. Do your research and pick items that align with your niche and offer attractive commissions. Quality is key. High-caliber products not only increase your chances of making sales, but also boost your affiliate earnings. Remember, the products you endorse reflect your brand, so choose wisely and enhance your credibility. Tip 3. Forge a robust online presence. Develop a sleek professional website or blog that highlights your niche and chosen products. Focus on delivering content that informs and captivates your audience. And crucially, optimize your site for search engines to enhance visibility. This isn't just about being online, it's about being a standout digital destination for your audience. Tip 4. Cultivate your email list. Offer enticing freebies or exclusive content to gather email addresses. This list is your key to building a devoted audience. Use it to nurture your subscribers and effectively promote your affiliate products. It's not just a list, it's your direct link to an engaged and trusting community. Tip 5. Harness the power of social media. Dive into the dynamic worlds of Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. These platforms are like bustling marketplaces, brimming with opportunities to connect with your target audience. Share content that sparkles with engagement, have real conversations with your followers, and weave in promotions of your affiliate products with a strategist's touch. It's not just about posting, it's about creating a vibrant, interactive community around your brand. Use social media to not just reach, but resonate with your audience, turning every post, tweet, and story into a stepping stone towards building a loyal following. Let's make social media your stage for showcasing the unique flavor of your brand. Tip 6. Embrace content marketing. Create and share top-notch blog posts, videos, or podcasts that offer real value to your audience. This consistent delivery of quality content will position you as an authority in your niche, building trust and increasing your sales potential. It's all about establishing your voice and making a lasting impact. Tip 7. Keep a keen eye on your results. Picture yourself as a strategist where tracking and analyzing the performance of your affiliate campaigns becomes your superpower. Dive into metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings. This isn't just number crunching, it's detective work to uncover what's hitting the mark and what's missing the target. By keeping tabs on these vital stats, you get to fine-tune your strategies, turning good campaigns into phenomenal ones. This continuous cycle of monitoring and tweaking is your pathway to optimization. So let's embrace this data-driven journey, turning insights into action, and ensuring every step you take is backed by solid evidence. Your mission to identify, improve, and excel. In conclusion, these 7 tips are key for building a successful affiliate marketing business. By zeroing in on your niche and targeting specific products, you can maximize your success. To further increase sales and commissions, ensure that you have a presence online and reach out to customers through emails or social media platforms. Content marketing plays an important role throughout the process as well. Always remember to track your results with analytics and watch trends over time. Implementing all these tactics can dramatically increase online earnings from affiliate marketing opportunities. So why not get started today? Take full advantage of our step-by-step program to help you launch a wildly profitable affiliate business quickly. With our help, you'll be ready in 7 days or less. Click the link below to get started now. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this.